We're in Edinburgh. I don't know if we'll be back here or not, but we've seen the industrial part of Edinburgh.
And there's all the chimneys.
There's all the chimneys and all the cars. And we're just following along. Kind of cloudy day. 19 degrees Fahrenheit, which is like, what, 70, Beth?
Yeah.
Just driving along. Rush hour, kind of.
3:30.
3:30. And this is it. I think we're like in the old part of town, which is good, I guess. Interesting anyway, huh?
Yeah.
All right, 2 minutes down the road, you're looking at this. Weird towns, these European towns, aren't they?
Yeah, and they're all different. They're not the same.
Yeah, well, that's good. That's what we like.
Yeah.
But just wanted to show you guys that, you know, there's somebody out there sailing. 2 minutes ago, we were looking at, well, Beth and I were trying to figure it out. The closest we can come up with is like Gary, Indiana, or, you know, a Rust Belt town.
Yeah, Detroit.
Yeah. So, just weirdly going along here, trying to find our campground for the night. In Edinburgh, Scotland.
Half a mile, turning 9 o'clock.
Okay. I'm walking down the street. I'm here with Beth. Where are we, Beth?
We're going to go see the Queen's Yacht.
In Edinburgh, Scotland.
Yep.
And parking here is impossible.
Because our van's too tall.
Our van's too tall. It won't park in the lot, which is right there. And there, as you can see, there is no street parking.
There's a train coming.
The train coming. Step back so he knows you see him.
He's going to the airport.
And nobody else. There's nobody on that tram.
There's one person.
Was there one person?
Oh,
there's some people going to the airport.
Yep. We're still waiting.
We have a timed entrance for this yachting experience. Looking at a boat that somebody has way too much money.
Why do I get the feeling all we're seeing is our shoulders right now?
Because you don't know how the camera works.
Oh.
What do you think?
Okay.
Here. Gotta flip this for Beth so she knows. See?
Thanks, honey.
Look, me and tell me what's going on here.
Okay, it's a self-guided tour.
Self-guided tour. Crew only. We're going this way. They handed us this nice thing. Everybody's dressed very nicely in tartan. This says start your tour, go through the back door. Oh, nice. Keel laid. Big props.
Yeah, we saw one of those already.
Big boat. And the reveal. It's a big boat. Look at that. Just something for running around for the day. So where are we now?
In the living room, I guess.
The lounge, the bar.
Oh, there is a real bar.
That clock should say 5 o'clock if it's going to be stopped.
Well, it stopped at that time because that's when the last time the Queen left the boat.
Get out.
Yeah, all the clocks are at the same time.
Oh.
The last time the Queen left. So it stopped time there.
Okay. Somebody's good idea. Looks like they had air conditioning here in this room.
Yeah, it's possible.
Very good. I wonder if that song's copyrighted.
Oh, probably. Maybe not anywhere. Are you
Billy,
ready for the bar?
I'm gonna belly up to the bar. Galley's still working. Did you see the dishes?
Yeah. Did you see the dishes? This is just the silver.
Well, yeah. So, just taking a walk on the promenade. So my biggest impression of this boat is a huge waste of money.
No. No.
You don't think so?
No. I think it's pretty special.
Yeah, I guess somebody's got to have a big boat.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, Queen of England, yeah.
Yeah.
And
And-
it's left over from before there were airplanes. This is how they
Right. Yeah, that's true.
This
Before
is how
Air
they
Force
traveled.
One.
Yeah.
What I'm going to do is I'm going to compare. I'll get the stats for this place, and I'm going to compare that to like Bezos' yacht, and we'll go from there. That's a picture. Oh. So this wouldn't be crew, because you can look right in the bar.
Great.
How cool is that? Good eye there, Beth.
Thanks, hon.
That's why I keep you with me. You're so artistic.
Thanks, honey.
So how big is this thing? Look at all the linens. It's the other end of the laundry.
There's a lot of laundry going on
Yeah, well. You know, what's this?
That's the hat steamer.
Gotta have a hat steamer. It's a Hulk Hogan thing. Body press. So Beth, tell us about the clocks.
Okay, the clocks are all stopped at this exact moment. The last time the Queen left the boat, when she stepped off the boat.
They stopped all the
they
clocks,
stopped.
or they noted the time and then
Yep,
set all the clocks.
yep.
And who's that? You know that lady.
That's the Queen Mother.
Yep. Down in the laundry. That's cool. I should have recorded the whole process, but I didn't. We're doing a photo booth. Look at how it's all
Yeah.
crazy
Why is that?
because of the lighting in here. Printing in progress. Okay, there. Take your picture here.
And
Thank you. See you soon.
where are the photos?
Come on, out here. Didn't you ever take pictures with one of these?
I was like
They're down there.
16. Oh, we get two.
What do you think?
I'm 16 again.
Was it fun?
Yeah.
Let's go then. So notice the great British humor in the name of this bar here. And by the way, all the beers were fake. There wasn't a real beer on the boat. Plus, there were actually 2 bars that we saw that were serving fake beer. So there you go. Now we're at Holyrood. Is that what you called it?
Yeah.
This is the Queen's Castle in
Palace.
Edinburgh.
Yep. But first we're gonna go get a dram.
There's a lot of tourists about. One of those. There's like this big mountain over here, which I think has some significance. I forget what it is. A beautiful sunny day. About 60, 65.
Yeah.
Nice for the sun. Just a glorious day.
You guys don't know the chance you have.
So
Going this way.
I'm going whichever way you tell me to go. Okay. Everywhere. Now I gotta look to the left. Like he's coming. Straight on. And we park over there with the craziness.
Yep.
And there goes the bus tours.
Here we go.
All right. Oh, I like they have poppies. Poppies are cool. They're just a weed, really. They come and they're everywhere.
Look how pretty they are too.
Yeah, just gorgeous. So where are we, Beth?
Edinburgh.
And this is, I believe, the Parliamentary Building? Is that right?
I think so. Scottish Parliamentary Building, yes.
That's what we're
That
walking
is.
through. Well, let's go this way. Did you get it? Yeah. Interesting to not be the person who doesn't speak the language. Huh?
Yeah.
See, now Disney could take a page from here when they put up their walls.
Yeah.
This is an intentional wall. It's here on purpose.
Yeah.
What did they do? They throw some lights in? Disney could do LED lighting,
Yeah.
right? A little pattern, cut some holes in it. Pretty cool. But no.
Sightseeing tour.
We're crossing?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, did she move it?
We don't know what that is.
That's the Dynamic Earth, futuristic science and nature attraction.
Okay.
That's so golden.
Cool. Hi, this is narrator Mark from the future. Once you get past a certain point in the tour here, we're going to come up to a staircase. They didn't allow any photography on the second floor. I'm not exactly sure why. I mean, it was up there was just a bunch of ceremonial rooms and such, but there was no photography. So from that point on, you're not going to see any photography at all until we get back outside, and then you see some cool stuff. Beth, give us a wrap up.
Okay, we spent all day visiting royalty. First we went to the yacht, and then we went to the palace and had a nice lunch. Edinburgh's cool
And windy.
and windy and a little cold, not too bad. But I enjoyed visiting.
Good.
How about you?
I had a nice lunch.
Yeah?